New York City, the cultural and entertainment capital of the world, where the Statue of Liberty beckons to those who want a better life, and where you can find a landmark on almost every block. Until now. It started when politics became poisoned and people forgot how to speak to each other. A mist began to rise and cover the foundations of New York's most hallowed institutions. Then COVID struck, and the streets were deserted. And when people came back, they couldn't agree about whether the threat was over. Some wore masks, others didn't. And the city became shrouded in more vapor, its treasures receding behind the growing clouds. Until one day, people looked out and saw emptiness, where they had enjoyed sports, theater, entertainment, leisure, religion, were gaping holes in the space-time continuum. The bustling city became a city of holes. How do you rebuild a city that has disappeared? What construction can repair the destruction? The Talmud tells us, Amar Rabbi Elazar Amar Rabbi Chanina, Talmidei Chachamim Marbim Shalom Ba'olam. Scholars of Torah, Talmidei Chachamim, cause there to be much more peace in the world. Shene'emar, V'chol banayich limudei Hashem, V'rav Shalom banayich. All your children are learned of God, and your children have much peace. And then, using a midrashic method called al-tikri, which plays with different ways of pronouncing the word, al-tikri banayach ela bonayach. Not read the last word banayach, your children, but rather bonayach, your builders. That Talmidei Chachamim are builders. Learning Torah is an act of building, an act of construction. This year, as we learn Gemara together, we will be embarking on a quest to solve real-world problems. Serious? Yes, but always with a sense of humor. To solve our challenges, we will have to earn gold and XP, pick up valuable items, build our skills and character traits, and interact with heroes and villains. Simple actions like showing up on time, completing an assignment, or helping a classmate can be the difference between overcoming an obstacle or getting stuck. Are you up to the task? Are you ready to rebuild? Ready to save the city?